What's up everyone, this is AppleVibes back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys 10 free Mac utilities which you can start using right from today. All the utilities are very useful, so make sure you watch the video to the very end. And if you are into using your Apple products like a pro, join me with my journey and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's dive in, shall we? Starting off with the app I use the most, and it is known as Clipy. What it does is it simply records all your things you have copied to the clipboard, and it also has a capacity to record up to 30 items. So anything you copy, may it be text or file or image or link, it will keep a record of that up to 30 items on your MacBook. So you can choose it from here at the menu bar. You can access it from here and paste anything you want, may it be link or images or anything. For example, I want this image to paste or this link to paste, so I'll just click on the image and it will very conveniently paste that image for me on the desktop. But the best thing what I do is you can use Shift Command and V anywhere on your MacBook, anywhere, and it will give you this sweet option to choose your recently copied things on your MacBook, and you can paste anything from here. See, I can paste an image directly here, or even I can paste any kind of text directly on my MacBook. All you have to do is Shift Command and V. It will give you this option, choose anything you want from here. If I want link or in text or something, I'll choose the link, and very conveniently it will paste that link for you on your MacBook. The next utility we have in our list is known as Rocket. Now you don't have to use this utility directly from the menu bar. I mean, you can browse and search and all that features, but the main usage for this utility is while you are typing. Now in the last video I showed that if you're typing something and if you want to use an emoji on the MacBook, all you have to do is hit Control Command and spacebar on your Mac, and it will give you these options to choose an emoji. But even this is a long process. Well, Rocket simplifies that process 1,000 times. All you have to do, but the catch here is you need to know the name of the emoji. For example, if I'm typing something, I'm typing and I need an emoji of laughing, so all I have to do is hit Shift and colon, and now I'll type laughing and it will give me all the emojis available for laughing. Just I'll hit return, and very conveniently it will put that emoji for me while typing without even putting Control Command spacebar and choosing the emoji from there using the mouse. The next utility we have is known as Spectacle. Well, in Mac, managing Windows is very difficult. It's not even as good as Windows laptops. What I mean by that is, if I want to tile this Windows to left and right, I can't do it from the keyboard like you can do in Windows. You'll have to come here and you'll have to choose from one of these options here. And even if I choose one of these options, if I don't have another app running in the background, it won't work. If I don't select this app and I let it go, it won't work. So it becomes very annoying to manage Windows on Mac, but Spectacle does a good job for that. You even have better paid apps for this, but if you don't want a paid app, you want a free app, Spectacle also does a pretty sweet job. So you can see you have the keyboard shortcuts for that as well, so I can choose one of them. Let's put the Chrome to left half and the music to the right half. But even after doing that, you can see the sizes are not matching. You can't resize it, and you'll have to use it like this. You can't resize the apps. So this is going to happen if you use a free app, but it will help you managing the Windows much better than before. The next utility we have is known as Browsesaurus, and I bet most of us would like to browse some stuff on Safari and some on Chrome. Now if you set your default browser as Safari, if you click on any link, it will divert you to Safari, and if you set it as Google Chrome, you click on this link, it will open with Google Chrome. But what if I want to open some with Google Chrome and some with Safari? Because I don't know, so everyone have different preferences. Why I use Google Chrome sometimes, because Google Chrome has so many extensions that Safari doesn't have yet, like TubeBuddy and all that extensions like Instagram and all that stuff. Safari has 4K video streaming now, so one thing less for Google Chrome, but the extensions as many as Google Chrome has, Safari doesn't have it yet. So all you have to do is, like, you will click a link to open the link, just click on the link, and I have set two hotkeys, as for Safari and G for Google Chrome. I'll choose one of them, so just hit on that link, and for Google Chrome I'll hit G. It will open that link with Google Chrome very conveniently for me. Then again I'll hit another link and I'll choose Safari this time, and very conveniently it will open that link for me by using Safari on my MacBook. Now dark mode is a super feature in Macs, but if you want to change it between dark mode and light mode, you have to go to system preferences, then in general, and here you have options to choose between light mode, dark mode, or you can set to auto. But the problem with auto is you can't set a custom time. What will happen is while in the morning it will be light mode, and by sunrise it will automatically change to dark mode. And if you want to set it to custom times, Night Owl plays a sweet role in that, and it does a pretty good job. So you can set it to light or dark mode from here directly, or you can schedule it to your custom time. If I want dark mode in the morning and light mode at night, I can do that. And even if I want some apps to always stay light even in dark mode, I can choose it from here. For example, I'll choose dark mode here, and you can see one of my app, music, is set to always be in light mode. So if I open one of my apps, you can see from here my notes app is in the dark mode, and if I open my music app, it opens in the light mode because I have set it to be always in the light mode. So this is a very pro app for free. I don't know how it's for free, but it's a must have utility for MacBook users. The next app we have is known as X Menu, and as the name suggests, it gives you a menu directly on your menu bar, and all the folders you have in Finder, you can access it directly from the menu bar. And trust me, this saves a lot of time. And if you want some other menus, you can go to preferences and you can choose between these options, but whatever you choose, it will keep adding icons in your menu bar. For example, if I choose applications, you can see it added an icon in my menu bar. So the best thing is home. I don't think applications is that much required in the menu bar, so I'll just stick with home, and you can choose between this text or text and icon and whatever you want from big or small icons directly from here. This app is the best app you can find for your menu bar. I like to change my wallpaper daily or from time to time to add some twist every day. So Unsplash, the next utility we have, nails that, and the wallpapers it provides are absolutely amazing. The resolution is really amazing, so you can choose from one of the themes here as per your liking, and you can add even a custom theme if you want. And whatever themes, whatever wallpapers you have set earlier, it will save it for you for if you liked some wallpaper, if you want to set it again. And in preferences over here, you can choose it between weekly, daily, or manually according to your liking, and it will change the wallpapers accordingly on your Mac. The next utility we have is known as Calcbar, and as the name suggests, you can do your calculations directly from the menu bar. And if you are someone like me who needs a lot of calculations while using the MacBook, well, then this app is perfect for you. You can do any type of calculations directly from menu bar, like 45 plus 50 minus 90 into 200 or anything, and it will give you the answer over here, and you can copy it directly from here. And the best part is, if you leave that and you come back again, it will have that calculation and answer for you, unlike the calculator app we have on the MacBook. And if you want to do some advanced calculations, you have to click on this FX button, and it will show you what calculations you want to do, and in order to do that, what you'll have to type. This is very advanced for me, but if you're someone who does this kind of calculations, this will be very useful for you. The next app we have is known as Memory Diag. Now this app is not that useful, but very sweetly with animations and stuff. It lets you know the status of your RAM, and you could clean some space from time to time as well. You can see the free RAM and app memory and all that stuff. I don't use it that much, but for some people this may be very useful. You can clean the RAM, you can press on these buttons, and you can recycle memory from here, and it will recycle the memory from you. You can see it is recycling the memory. And the best part is you have some cute animations. You can go to menu bar settings and choose from these kind of animations. If you want that memory to be showed directly on the menu bar, I'll select this, and you can see it is showing in a percentage that this much memory is free of my RAM. You can choose that between either percentage or short text or small size text, and whatever you want you can choose. And that is all for this app. So this could be useful for some of you, and it can just be animations for some of us. Now the last app, but the app which you'll require the most after downloading thousands of apps in your menu bar, you can see your menu bar is full and it is not looking that good. Well, Vanilla will organize these apps for you in a very convenient way, and it is a free app. Now you have bartender and all that apps which are paid, and those do a better job. But hey, for a free app, this does a pretty well job. So all you have to do is open the app and it will show this arrow here and it will have a dot here. So whatever apps you want to put, whatever apps you want to hide, all you have to do is press the command button on your laptop, on your MacBook, and choose the app from your MacBook which you want to hide and drag and drop it across the dot. So I want to hide all these apps. You can see some apps are here and some apps are across the dot. So if I close this, now you can see my menu bar looks much better, and if I want to access those apps, all I have to do is press this button and in instant I have all the apps I have just put in my menu bar, and I can use those utilities without worrying about my menu bar on my Mac. So this is all for this video, guys. Stay tuned by subscribing for more videos like this. Also let me know in the comments if you have better utilities on your Mac. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Mufaddal. This is AppleVibes. Take care and I will see you in the next video.